Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best beauty and skincare products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best of the best, Maelove's Glow Maker Vitamin C Serum. If you're looking for that radiant, youthful glow and smoother, more hydrated skin, you've come to the right place. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out. Maelove's Glow Maker is a powerhouse serum packed with some of the most effective ingredients for skin brightening and anti-aging. At the heart of this formula is a potent 15% concentration of L-ascorbic acid, a form of vitamin C known for its ability to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It also helps protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV damage. But that's just the beginning. This serum also features vitamin E, ferulic acid, and hyaluronic acid, making it a triple threat for your skin. The inclusion of ferulic acid is key, as it boosts the effectiveness of vitamin C, ensuring your skin gets maximum protection from oxidative stress. And let's not forget hyaluronic acid, which works wonders for hydration, helping to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling plump and smooth all day long. This serum truly tackles multiple skin concerns, from fine lines and wrinkles to uneven skin tone, giving you a glowing complexion that feels fresh and rejuvenated. One of the things that really sets Maelove's Glow Maker apart is its unique botanical blend. This serum includes extracts like aloe, magnolia, and Vitis vinifera, or grape seed extract. These ingredients aren't just there for show, they provide extra nourishment to the skin, ensuring it's not just treated but cared for with every drop. Now, let's talk about texture. This serum has a light, water-like consistency that absorbs quickly into the skin, meaning it's perfect for layering with other products or makeup. No waiting around for it to dry, just apply and go. It's also completely unscented, which is great if you're sensitive to fragrances. Another bonus is that this product is vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the ethics behind the brand. And it's made right here in the USA, so you're getting a high-quality, researched product every time. As for how to use it, simply apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and chest every morning after cleansing. For optimal results, follow up with a moisturizer. You can even use it at night if you prefer, it's that versatile. To sum it all up, Maelove's Glow Maker Vitamin C Serum is a must-have for anyone looking to brighten their complexion, smooth fine lines, and deeply hydrate their skin. With a formula that's backed by research and packed with effective ingredients, this serum truly delivers results. If you want glowing, protected, and healthy-looking skin, give it a try. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare reviews.